Search Handbrake on the Google. Click onto the first link that opens. Now click onto the download option. You will receive a pop-up when the download starts. Alright, after downloading, click onto next, and once again next. Now click onto the install option. Click finish. After finishing setup, you have to click onto the file option. Open the file in which your video is saved. Now follow the steps. Click on Web Optimized. And click onto the video. From here, you have to click onto the frame rate and set it to constant frame rate, same as source. Click onto the quality and change it to 23 RF. So you have to follow the next step, which is click onto the encoder preset and make it slow. From browser, you have to choose the file in which your video is saved. Click onto the start encode option. Your video is being processing, as you can see in the below option. You can open the compressed files and you can compare both the files. You will see a major difference in the file size. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you with a new video. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.